Hello, this is Mohammad Ghaznavi and I have been teaching OET since 2018. Until date, I've trained, thousands of doctors, nurses, and they are practicing in UK, Ireland, and USA. So today I'll be discussing in detail about the past perfect tense and its usage along with the past simple tense. Normally, in OET writing, past perfect tense cannot be used standalone. It has to be used with the past simple tense. Why? Because we have to make a comparison between two events that happened in the past, and we want to differentiate between two events like near past and far past. So we have to identify in the case notes which event can be written for near past and which event can be written for far past. So there is some example. So first of all is the reported speech. Let's say he reported that he had noticed blood in his stool yesterday. So there is a difference in time. We can write it down, past simple and past perfect. Another example, let's say he had attended physio session for 4 weeks. His pain did not improve. Make sure to have a parallel sentence at the same time. I will give you another example to make you understand, such as he had been attending physio session for 4 weeks. Let's say his pain was not improving. So I'm using past perfect continuous. I'm using past continuous. But if I had used the past perfect, I can use the past simple, such as he had attended physio session. His pain did not improve. So stay tuned for more videos to get a good grip on your OET writing in regard to selection, purpose, and grammar as well. Because in OET writing, grammar can help you to convey your message. So if you have any question, concern regarding this thing, because this is complex, to use the past perfect tense along with the past simple and make sure the sentence will remain balanced or parallel. Thank you.